If your child is complaining about headaches, neck stiffness, or back pain, you might be surprised to learn that chiropractic care could be exactly what they need. Kids' spines aren't just smaller versions of adult spines. They're still developing, and problems left unaddressed during those growth years can affect posture, mobility, and comfort well into adulthood. Add in hours of screen time and heavy backpacks, and it's no wonder more Jacksonville families are noticing their children dealing with neck stiffness and upper back tension at younger and younger ages. Pediatric Chiropractic uses gentle, low-force techniques specifically scaled for a child's developing body. No cracking, no high-velocity adjustments, just careful, targeted care that looks at the whole spine, not just the symptom. Those recurring headaches? They often trace back to tension in the upper cervical spine, and addressing that root cause is a much better option than relying on medication. At East Coast Injury Clinic, our team evaluates children through postural assessment, spinal palpation, and functional movement screening to catch issues early and create a plan that actually fits your child's needs. If you're a Jacksonville parent who wants drug-free, age-appropriate care for your child's spine, we'd love to help. Visit our website to learn more or schedule a consultation today.